Hey there, fellow YouTubers. Today, we are diving into a critical topic that often gets overlooked, the process safety of combustible dusts. Now, you might be thinking, what's the big deal? Well, let me tell you, it's a huge deal, and it's high time we shed some light on this issue. So, buckle up, because we are about to embark on a journey through the world of industrial safety, where every detail matters, and every second counts. Personally, I think this workshop is a game changer, and I'm here to break down why. First things first, what exactly is combustible dust? It's a fine powder that can ignite and explode, creating a hazardous situation for workers and the environment. Imagine a tiny particle with a massive impact. That's the power of combustible dust. Now, you might be wondering, why is this a problem? Well, in my opinion, it's a problem because it's not just about the immediate danger. It's about the long-term implications and the potential for widespread disaster. What many people don't realize is that combustible dust can build up over time, leading to a ticking time bomb. One thing that immediately stands out is the need for proactive measures. The government and industries need to work together to prevent accidents before they happen. Now, let's talk about the handbook. It's a comprehensive guide to combustible dust safety, and is a crucial resource for anyone working in industries prone to dust hazards. But here's the thing, it's not just about reading the handbook. It's about implementing the best practices and making sure that worker safety is never compromised. The Minister, Gadam Vivek Venkatswamy, emphasized this point, and I couldn't agree more. Safety should never be an afterthought. Now, let's zoom in on the Department of Factories' role. They've organized a Train the Trainer program, which is a fantastic initiative. But it's not just about training, it's about creating a culture of safety. The Director of Factories, Y. Mohan Babu, highlighted the potential for major industrial accidents, and I couldn't help but think about the human cost. It's a stark reminder that we need to do better. Now, let's talk about collaboration. Secretary Harichandana Dasari urged industries to adopt systematic hazard identification and risk management practices. In my opinion, this is a crucial step towards a safer future. But it's not just about following rules, it's about embracing a proactive approach. Industries need to move beyond compliance and integrate preventive maintenance, process safety management, and emergency preparedness into their DNA. Now, here's the thing, combustible dust isn't just a local issue. It's a global concern. What this really suggests is that we need to learn from each other and share best practices. The workshop is a great start, but it's just the beginning. We need to keep the conversation going and make sure that safety is at the forefront of every decision. So, what's the takeaway? Well, in my opinion, it's simple. We need to be proactive, collaborative, and innovative. We need to make sure that worker safety is never compromised, and we need to do it together. Let's make sure that combustible dust doesn't become a deadly hazard, but rather a lesson in safety and collaboration. What do you think? Let's keep the conversation going and make sure that safety is at the forefront of every decision. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content. Peace out.